Okay, drone pool here. I bought myself a Missouri Lottery $5 scratcher. 100,000 taxes paid. Went up to 100,000. Okay, drone pool needs some good luck today. So let's see what happens. 34, 29, 7, 13, 25. Okay. Well, got lucky 7, unlucky 13. So let's see what happens. Drone pool needs a new drone. 4, 20. Ooh, 29. That's a match. Ooh, sweet. 40. 31. 9. So I have one match. 14, no match. 33. 7, that's another match. So I got two matches, a 7 and a 29. There's another 29. 38. Okay. There's a 2. 23. 19. I think I'm going to hit one more time. Somewhere, maybe. 35. Nope. So I'm guessing they're probably $5 a piece. I probably won $15. So let's see. First one, 29. $5. 7. Told you. Where's the other winner? Another 29. So I won $10. $10 is $10. Oh well. Better than a bust, I guess, but it really would have been nice to win something substantial. Alright, it's Drone Pool signing out.